Welcome guys to another episode of the Dirty Bear Show, and I'm so excited guys. Today we're going to show you the top 10 best dressed males here on the UWI campus, and it's going to be a lineup of 10 fashionable, swaggerific, handsome young males. And to tell the truth guys, it was a bit of a task because here we have over 2,000 persons on the campus, and to narrow it down to 10 was a bit of a task. But however, we did it and we're going to show it to you. And here I have my little friend, he's Johnny. But I mean, he just didn't make it on the list. Next year. Anyway, so stay tuned, okay guys? It's going to be fun, interesting show. Just check it.
Here with me, kicking off the countdown, is Sylvester again.
Yeah, exclusive. You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah. You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah.
When you wake up and you put yourself together, where normally do you forget that? Hot look.
Make sure you put down the stuff together and say, alright, that match with that. And this is how I like it. I like to tweak everything, because if you realize that the grey in this match the grey in this, right? And then it match the grey in the sneakers. And the green kind of throw it off, like, you understand, because that's my thing. And it's a little green right here too as well.
Where fashion is concerned, tell me who you look up to.
I look up to Wiz Khalifa, Taylor Gang.
Tell me some of the things fashion wise they just don't like the girls.
Just ensure that your nails, your toenails are done. I hate to see when girls wear slippers and the toenails misshape, look like one of them Afro puffed from back in the 70s. I hate seeing that.
I want you to give the males out there some tips.
Make sure the nails are clipped and clean, you understand? Just make sure your hair is well groomed. Try and find clothes that kind of fit to your size, you know? Do the baggy jeans thing, that's so outdated. I mean, you're working on your girl game, get some fresh kicks and thing, you understand?
Oh, well, it's a pleasure talking to you, and congratulations on your position.
Okay.
So all them a talk, man a stepper. Catch up them a play, man a pepper. When the star boy walk, man a stepper. Catch up them a play, man a pepper. Coulda day, coulda dark.
So here with me is Chris, Mr. number 9. Alright, so what's your procedure in the morning?
You just put on something, you know, look good. The only time on Thursday I have to dress up. Because Thursday is...
Because Thursday, oh,
easy,
okay.
yes, you know, so people are see you more than like on a Thursday. But it's the day that we just take out something and say, if it much, you just put it on.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Right, we can tell by the sneakers.
Blue is boss.
Blue is boss. I
Yeah.
see. Do you have a favorite artist that you look up to in terms of style?
Little Wayne, Little Wayne. Even though
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
Little Wayne.
Do you have a favorite?
I don't really have a favorite, but right now I'm using color named Blue Rush.
I love Blue
love
Rush.
it.
I love it. I think Blue Rush is really good. Did you realize that you have your own sense of style?
Actually, in first year, I never really care what I'm looking at. I used to beat some cut off of pants and I really see the need for really dress up in it, but sometimes I have to look.
What about the girls?
Me is a youth, right? I see a girl have a start from our football, right? So if I told them not to act, you lose already. Next thing I will say that so when a girl I walk, I have a tendency to just admire her walking and just good. Panty lines all the time. Number one, man, if I'm curious, I say,
Congratulations on your win. Alright,
Okay, with me here, I have Matthieu McDermott.
Yeah, that shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off, Mr. Miyagi. And them suicide doors, Ari Kari. Look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh. Look at me now, yeah.
When I get up in the morning, I have put yourself together. Wait.
Think about how I'm going to wear that day. I don't do the night before because I'm tired. So what I do, I wake up, I say, find the shoes, everything else comes after.
Tell me how you love how the girls are dressed.
The tight and the short. Well, within reason still, because you don't want too short, you don't want they don't say pump shorts, but keep them free. But really short one them.
I have none of that.
Not today, not today.
Congratulations on your position, and it was a pleasure talking to you.
Alright? Pleasure talking to you too.
Welcome back, guys. Here we have Brandon, and he's in the number 7 position.
Look, I'm so raw. Turn the oven on. Chef Papa John. I get the Parmesan. She want a yellow nigga. Corn on the cob. Indian giver. Slob on my knob. The bitch blow hard. Harder than some halls.
So tell me a little bit about your fashion icon.
Yeah, I just said Pharrell.
Pharrell? You know that rapper guy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
I like Tiger. I like
Tiger.
dress.
You mean the Velcro?
No, Tiger.
Just like you can't compliment that fashion look without that smell. I mean, do you use any specific, you know,
yeah,
perfume brand?
I only have 2 colors that I use.
Which one is that?
Like 2, 3 years.
Chops?
No.
Root?
I use Kenneth Cole Reaction.
Okay.
And I use Lacoste.
Alright. So tell me, you know, a little bit of your fashion nights. You know, fashion nights, what you like to see in males and females.
I'm not
Female?
man them ways
Oh.
like, no myself. You know, fitted jeans.
Fitted jeans.
You know, I think the shoes one of the most important things.
You know, get your shoes, guys. I mean, the shoe is really, really hot, very unique. And I must say, you know, I really like your watch.
Yeah, I'm not really big on jewelry. And I'm just
Which brand is that?
This is Nixon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about your morning routine. What do you do to get that swaggerific? You know?
Just in a drawer, just pick out a shirt to me in a long while. And just find something to match it and I really like to spend and coordinate and plan for the night.
Oh, it just come natural, right? You can say it, you know, it come natural.
I guess, as in from out the clothes.
Okay.
Anything you pick is supposed to look good from you buy it and you like it.
So there you have it, guys. Brandon coming in the number 7.
So here with me, I have Jerome Harrier.
Whenever you need me, whenever you want me, you know you can call me. I'll be there shortly. Don't care what your friends say. If they don't know me, I can be your best friend. And you be my homie. I ain't gon' flex, I'm not gon' front. You know if I ball, then we all gon' stunt. Send her my way, she ain't gotta hold up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up.
When you get up and you get ready, you have an image in your head of how you want dressed.
Like, I know the clothes that I have in my closet already, so I like kick back and say, alright, if I put this shirt with these shoes, it probably have fitted then. It's gonna work, it's gonna click and everything is smooth and touching.
It's branding normally wear.
Yeah, brand. The shoes, I go for Vans, Nike is the regular, some Adidas. In jeans, I probably go Levi, yeah, H&M, you know jeans have to be fitted. And the shirt, fitted as well, so Express, Aeropasta, a little American needle. Mix it.
Yeah, with them dressing. Which artists are say admire with how them dress?
You know, like, it's not really say artists, but my family and friends were mostly in the fashion, so I always say kick back, probably look in magazines and see how people deal with it. For me, it's mostly my big brother. My big brother really into the fashion. You know, the smaller ones.
Tell me about the girls. Tell me where you love it and put on and look good.
I don't really like girls with this bag of hair, bag of makeup. Simple, nice little hoopering, but like for top, nice little top. You know, too want to see too much rest of show. Probably a little sneak peek, right? Probably have a mind thinking or something. I wonder what go on under that. You know, leggings, yeah, that's a little thing for the girl. You know, leggings and pump. Girl, get with this.
Okay, I so don't fit into that category. But it was really great talking to you and congratulations on your position. Keep it up.
If you rollin', I got a spot where I can put you on.